The Throughput Run Chart provides a visual representation of your throughput over time, measured in your selected time unit. This chart is essential for analyzing trends in your throughput. The data presented in this chart is the same data utilized in the Monte Carlo simulations, as it reflects your historical throughput. While throughput may naturally fluctuate due to anticipated factors such as public holidays, employee vacations, and illness, this chart enables you to identify any significant trends over time. You can then compare this chart with the WIP run chart and cycle time scatter plot to determine if those metrics are being impacted and to investigate potential causes. Similar to the cycle time scatter plot, each dot represents completed work. The positioning of each dot conveys two key pieces of information: the date on the horizontal axis and the throughput on the vertical axis. By hovering over a data point, you can view the corresponding date and daily throughput. For more detailed information, select the data point. A window will pop up displaying all items included in that data point, along with details such as the start date, completion date, and cycle time. You can utilize the workflow stage control to focus on a specific portion of your workflow to analyze the throughput of smaller workflows. You can also use the date control to examine shorter time periods of work. You can also adjust the time unit on the horizontal axis to view daily, which is chosen by default, weekly or monthly throughput. The Throughput Trend feature displays the moving average across your dataset. To toggle the moving average on and off, simply select the moving average text located beneath the chart. Additionally, you can modify the interval as needed, so the average is taken from the values you wish to analyze. For example, if you work in 2-week sprints, you may want to look at the throughput average of every 14 days. We hope that this tour of the Throughput Run Chart helped with your actionable Agile journey. Please feel free to reach out to us via our support portal or by email at support@55degrees.se.